I'm just showing you the offer that Titus made me and insulted me, giving me $300 after I paid $28,000 for this car since '07. And this is the state of America, folks. You only rent your car. Okay, they won't even let you have it and let it be worth anything. Okay, they got the numbers down. They calculate it out from what you pay down on it, how many payments, and then when you go to sell it, the worth of it. It's a joker's numbers game, and it's fraud at its best. And do you think a congresswoman would even investigate it or do a thing about it? No, because they give them free cars. Just like Rob McKenna drives around with Bellevue dealership cars from the Honda place. And check how many congressmen get free cars so they don't do anything against the robbery of America. Hiring guys like this who living off their wives or whoever's taking care of them, supplementing their incomes. Or maybe they just were the military, or whoever knows what their little retirement money is, because no one could really live off that job. Okay, you see these dealerships are empty, like graveyards now. So all they're doing is selling hacked cars with radiation and toxic problems. Cars aren't worth nothing for you to come and rent and then turn back in. Okay, it's a joke and a fraud and a scam, and I'm getting to the bottom of it, and I want new laws too. So you better get your pen and paper ready.